ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shalan.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Jingjur sabapalat ka Jingtih bat ka Shalan Be-Aiñ ya Dewïong hapo ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya kan salong ka wei ni ki mat ya tai ka bakhlut bha hapo ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka ka ban sasdang nado ka Sautrik unai leber arajar arpuar ha ka baka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya State Unit kan sa Ther persya ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bali alam na ka National People's Party. Unang ilam jang All India Trinamool Congress ubah Himalaya Muktan Sangpeliang hagajing ya keren mat kilat patai khubor ulaong baka Trinamool Congress kan salong ka kinhon ka baklan bha hapo ka liang persya ka ban sa penki win ya ki babon ki mat ki bakta ya ka yap ka im jang ki pai ba nong sang snong ka jelam baro ka wei Shushu ya thuru ba ki mat ki baka Trinamool Congress kan sara hapo ka ying Dorbar Aiñ kin longru halor ka jing ya kendu jing jang ki nongrem ka jing pembiang ka Jakarta nyot ha Western Hills District but ki wei de ki mat.
The budget session that is going to start from the 4th of March is going to be a very important session for us because this will be the last budget session of this whole term. Therefore, we do have a lot of issues to raise and to flag before the government. And the All India Trinamool Congress is going to be the sole opposition in the coming session. We expected that the Congress would also be part of the opposition, but now we all know that the Congress, 5 Congress MLAs are already part of the ruling MDA and has given their support. And therefore, we stand out to be the only opposition in the assembly. Therefore, we have had few rounds of discussions amongst the MLAs of the Trinamool Congress, and we really want to take up a lot of issues, the issues concerning the welfare of the people, issues concerning the health conditions of the people, issues concerning the COVID handling by the government. Also, we have issues relating to the Assam-Meghalaya border, which the two governments have set certain set of agreements which we would like to know from the government, and also we would like to also address on the floor of the House whether those issues discussed by both the governments of Assam and Meghalaya are to be accepted by the people of the state. Those are also very important. I have always been flagging issues relating to farmers, relating to the areca nut and the ginger. We have a lot of issues relating to the areca nuts that are infested by certain plague or by certain diseases, and the government is not aware of the plight of the areca nut farmers. I'm going to raise this issue too as well. And I have a very grave concern relating to the maintenance of civic sense in the Joy town. I have seen with my own eyes garbages that has been dumped and piled right in front of the DC's office, and there is nobody's concern till date, and I do not understand why the Joy Municipal Board have not taken the appropriate action that is required. These are a lot of issues that just shows that there is a lack of governance somewhere or the other. Otherwise, how could a heap of garbage be dumped right in front of the Deputy Commissioner's office, and the Deputy Commissioner is passing through that same road on a daily basis, be it in the morning or be it in the evening, and yet no action has been taken? That just shows the carelessness of the authorities and the lack of the governance. We do have a lot of other issues. We have issues concerning the illegal coal trade that is happening rampantly without any stoppage at any quarter. And we appreciate the fact that due to the news that has come out in the Shillong Times that the High Court has taken a suo motu action asking for a report from the Chief Secretary and from the DGP. These are going to be issues. I'm sure this budget session will be quite an interesting one because we want a lot of clarifications from the government. I would rather not spell out too many details about what are the strategies that the Aitc is up for the coming session. We will go by the day and we will see how the situations turn out during the budget session, and accordingly we will take a call.